Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn multiplication of any number by 11. Multiplication of any number by 11. If you want to multiply any number with 11, how to multiply? We are going to learn in this method. For example, 45 into 11 we have to do. 45 into 11. So, first what you do, keep 1 0 here and here 1 0. So in the starting and in the ending we put 1 0. We add every time two digits. Okay. In the first step 0 plus 4 it become 4. 4 plus 5 it become 9. 5 plus 0, 5. Now we will write the final answer. 5, 9, 4. 495. 495. Very simple. If you want to do multiplication of any number with 11, any number with 11, we have to follow the same method. First, we have to do, we have to keep 1 0 here, 1 0 here. 1 0 in the beginning, 1 0 in the ending. After that, we start adding two digits every time. 0 plus 4, it become 4. 4 plus 5, it become 9. 5 plus 0, it become 5. Therefore, the answer is 495. I will explain clearly by taking another example so that you can understand more better. So, in this method, first you see, I am doing 84 into 11. So, whenever you do multiplication with 11, put 1 0, starting, ending. After that, start adding two digits at a time. 2 digits at a time. 0 plus 8, 0 plus 8. That will give you 8. 8 plus 4. That will give you 12. 4 plus 0. That will give you 4 again. 4 is a single digit number. Directly we can write 4 here. 12 is a double digit number. 2 we will write here. 1 will be carry forward. 8 plus 1 become 9. 924. 924. This is the way we will multiply any number with 11. Now we will see one more question. 234 into 11. 234 into 11. First what we will do? We keep 1 0 in the beginning, 1 0 in the ending. Next step, we add two digits at a time. 2 digits at a time. 0 plus 2. That will give you 2. 2 plus 3. That will give you 5. 3 plus 4. That will give you 7. 4 plus 0. That will give you 4. Therefore, the answer is 4, 7, 5, 2. All are single digit. Directly we can write. The answer. Therefore, the answer is 2574. 2574. Next, one more question. 562 into 11. 562 into 11. Step 1. Putting zeros in the beginning and ending. So 1 0 in the beginning, 1 0 in the ending. After that, start adding two digits at a time. 0 plus 5. That will give you 5. 5 plus 6. That will give you 11. This is only for your understanding. I am writing 5 plus 6 here. Without writing also we can write direct 11. 6 plus 2. That will give you 8. 2 plus 0, that will give you 2. So this is a single digit, we can write directly. Single digit, write it directly. Double digit, 1 here, 1 will be carry forward. 5 plus 1 become 6. 6182. 6182. So this is the way we have to do multiplication of any number with 11. Any number with 11. I will give you one more example. For example, if you want to multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 11. Okay, we are multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 11. First we will do here 1 0, here 1 0. So next step, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 5, 9, 6 plus 5, that is 5 plus 6, it is 11, 6 plus 7, 13, 7 plus 8, 15, 8 plus 9, 17, 9 plus 0, 9. So after putting 1 0 here, 1 0 here, we start adding 2 digits at a time. 2 digits. You see 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Next 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 after 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 6, 11. 6 plus 7, 13. 7 plus 8, 15. 8 plus 9, 17. 9 plus 0, 9. Now we will write the final answer. Next term. 9, only single digit, directly we can write. 7 here, 1 is carry forward. 15 plus 1, 16, 1 carry forward. 13 plus 1, 14, 1 carry forward. 11 plus 1, 12, 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry forward. 7 plus 1, 8, 5, 3, 1. When the digits are single, directly we can write it. Whenever it is a double digit is coming, we should carry forward to its next number. So this is the way we have to do multiplication of any number with 11. So I will give you some questions so that you can practice by seeing this method. The questions are 99 into 11, 67 into 11, 84 into 11, 72 into 11, 95 into 11, 234 into 11, 432 into 11, 562 into 11, 298 into 11, last 325 into 11. Practice these questions by using this method. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular videos.